Many seniors enjoy blueberries, but small blueberry mistakes can reduce the benefits you expect for memory, eyesight, heart health, digestion, and steady blood sugar. In this video, I will show 7 fixes that keep the helpful parts of blueberries working for you after 60. We will cover simple choices you can use today. Swap flavored cups for Greek yogurt with real berries, use a gentle baking soda wash, keep the skin for anthocyanins and vitamin C, avoid certain pairings at the same time, follow a smart half-cup serving, choose organic blueberries when you can, and handle storage so you avoid mold. Each step is friendly to an over 60 diet and does not require special tools. I will also explain why cucumber timing matters, ascorbate oxidase, why pineapple timing matters, bromelain and acidity, and why late-night big bowls are not your best choice. Everything is simple and practical, and you can try one change today. Stay with me until mistake number 1, because that is where you will learn a storage routine that helps protect quality and keeps your berries ready for snacks. Right after this line, we start with the store item that looks healthy but can work against your goal if you do not read the label. Mistake number 7. Processed blueberry yogurt cups. Many seniors buy blueberry yogurt cups because they look healthy, but this is one of the blueberry mistakes that matters after 60. Most flavored cups contain added sugar and only a small amount of real blueberries. With age, insulin resistance becomes more common, so large sugar loads can raise blood sugar quickly and for longer. That makes steady energy harder to keep and can lead to stronger hunger later in the day. There is also a nutrient trade-off. Flavored cups often use colorings, starches, and flavors in place of whole fruit. When you add whole berries yourself, you keep the skin that carries anthocyanins and vitamin C. These parts work best when the berry is intact and not drowned in syrup. A simple swap supports comfort and steadiness. Choose plain Greek yogurt or kefir for gentle probiotics and a source of protein. Then add your own blueberries so the fruit is real and the portion stays under your control. Protein helps slow sugar absorption, which can support steadier energy for daily tasks. If you use plain yogurt, select an unsweetened one and build the same bowl with a small amount of nuts or seeds for healthy fat. Frozen berries are fine. You can add them straight to your bowl without heating. Before you buy, read labels. Pick short ingredient lists and compare the number for added sugar across brands. If flavors, juices, or dyes are listed near the top, choose another cup. Make this your morning pattern if you want a low-sugar breakfast for seniors that tastes good and fits simple routines. Give it 1 week and notice how your energy and cravings feel. Next, we will fix how you prepare and handle the fruit at home so you keep its quality from sink to spoon every single day. Mistake number 6. Prep and processing, washing timing, and losing the skin. At home, the way you prepare blueberries affects what you get from them, especially after 60. Many seniors rinse quickly or delay washing for days, and both choices can reduce quality. A quick splash leaves more residue on the surface, while long delays invite moisture and spoilage once you finally wash and store. Use a gentle baking soda wash when needed. Dissolve a teaspoon in a large bowl of water. Soak for a brief period. Rinse under cool water, and pat dry completely. If you want a simple guide for how to wash blueberries, the steps are easy, but drying is the part most people miss. Any leftover water can raise the chance of mold, so spread the berries on a clean towel, dab them dry, and let them air before moving to a container. Choose a shallow, breathable glass container, lined with a paper towel, and keep airflow in the fridge. Now, protect the skin. The skin carries much of the helpful anthocyanins and vitamin C that support memory and eyesight. Keep the berry whole when you can. This keeps more value. If using frozen blueberries, avoid a microwave or hot water to thaw. because sudden heat can soften the skin, leak color, and reduce texture. Let them sit at room temperature, or stir them into Greek yogurt, oatmeal, or a smoothie so they warm gently in the bowl. When baking, add fresh berries on top after cooking instead of inside batter to keep the skins intact and reduce bleeding. These steps also help digestion feel calm and support steadier blood sugar. If you batch wash for convenience, dry the berries fully and return them to a dry, breathable container. If you prefer to wash right before eating, do a quick, cool rinse and dry, then serve. This is a practical habit you can repeat every week. Next, we will look at a common pairing with cucumber and why timing matters. Because ascorbate oxidase can change what your body keeps from the fruit. Mistake number 5. Pairing with cucumber at the same time. Many seniors mix blueberries and cucumber in the same bowl or drink because both look fresh, but timing matters. Cucumber contains an enzyme called ascorbate oxidase. When it is present at the same time as the fruit, it can reduce available vitamin C from the berries during that meal. After 60, your body relies on vitamin C for seniors to support collagen formation for skin and gums, normal immune function, and better absorption of iron from food. Keeping more of this nutrient available can help everyday recovery, oral comfort, and overall resilience. Separating these foods is a simple way to respect how they work. Eat blueberries as a snack with a small source of protein or healthy fat, like a few nuts or a spoon of Greek yogurt. Then enjoy cucumber later with lunch or dinner. The small time gap, about 30 to 60 minutes, gives your body a better chance to take in vitamin C while you still keep cucumber in your plan. This spacing can also feel easier on digestion if you are sensitive, since you are not layering multiple textures and fluids at once. Keep portions modest, chew slowly, and drink water through the day. If you already combine them, try the time gap for 1 week and notice energy, regularity, and comfort around meals. You are not removing favorite foods. You are setting a routine that helps your body use what you eat. In the next section, we will look at another pairing that can feel strong for a sensitive stomach, and we will set clear steps to enjoy fruit without discomfort. If you take iron, keep berries earlier and cucumber later in the day, too. Mistake number 4. Pineapple plus blueberries together for sensitive digestion. If you like blueberries and pineapple, putting them in the same bowl can be hard on a sensitive stomach. Pineapple brings bromelain, and both foods are naturally acidic. When eaten together in one sitting, the total acid load can irritate the lining of the stomach and esophagus. This can feel like bloating, chest burning, or nausea, especially if evening reflux bothers you. After 60, digestion often moves slower, so acidic mixes can stay longer and feel uncomfortable. Spacing them out helps you keep both fruits without the strain. Have blueberries with a small source of protein or healthy fat, such as a spoon of Greek yogurt or a few nuts, so the meal feels steady and blood sugar rises more slowly. Enjoy pineapple later with lunch or an afternoon snack. Avoid the combo on an empty stomach if you tend to notice reflux. Keep servings modest and chew well. If you feel sensitive, start with a small amount and increase only when comfort is consistent. This approach lets you keep anthocyanins and vitamin C from berries in your day while enjoying pineapple without extra pressure on the stomach. Frozen fruit is fine. Let it sit briefly at room temperature instead of using heat. For smoothies, choose a blueberries smoothie on some days and a pineapple smoothie on other days. If you follow an acid reflux diet for seniors, try this timing for 1 week and observe evening comfort and sleep quality. Simple spacing protects comfort and helps you stay consistent with fruit. Next, we will check the effect of portion size, including why one big bowl, especially at night, can disturb comfort and sleep, and how to spread your fruit so energy stays steady across the day. Mistake number 3. One big bowl at once, especially at night. Large portions of blueberries in one sitting, but for many seniors they are not the best choice, especially at night. As we age, insulin resistance can increase, and stomach emptying can slow. A big bowl at once can push blood sugar up quickly, then drop it back down, which may bring cramps or a 2 a.m. wake-up. The mix of fiber, acids, and liquid can feel heavy in the evening and make digestion noisy and sleep light. A better plan is small, steady servings. Aim for about a half cup at a time and spread it across your day. Add a little protein or healthy fat when you eat them. Plain Greek yogurt, nuts, or cottage cheese are easy options. This slows the rise of blood sugar and helps you feel satisfied. If you enjoy oatmeal, stir in a few berries in the morning, then have a small portion again in the afternoon. Keep the late-night bowl earlier in the evening, so your body settles before sleep. Drink water throughout the day, rather than right before bed. For steady energy and comfort, consider diabetes-friendly snacks for seniors when planning your pantry. Spacing portions also reduces nighttime trips to the bathroom for many people noticeably. Try this pattern for 1 week and notice how your energy, bathroom comfort, and nights feel. Next, we will look at buying choices, including why organic blueberries or trusted local fruit can make your routine feel cleaner and more predictable. Mistake number 2. Non-organic or high-residue choices. Smart picking matters because some blueberry lots carry more pesticides than others, and careful choices help seniors feel confident about what they eat. Start with the Organic Blueberries seal from a certifier. This points to farming without synthetic sprays and no post-harvest fungicides. If cost is tight, check Frozen Organic. It is packed near harvest and priced better per cup. Use the Dirty Dozen list as a signal when deciding what to buy organic. If you shop at a farmer's market, ask what was sprayed in field and what was used after harvest. Some treatments are systemic, meaning they move inside the fruit. Rinsing helps the surface, but cannot remove what is internal, so selection does the heavy work. Choose firm berries with dry, intact bloom and avoid boxes with juice stains or off smells. Shorter supply chains need fewer treatments, so nearby farms can be a practical option. When organic is unavailable, buy small amounts and enjoy them soon, and rotate fruits across the week to keep overall exposure lower. If labels confuse you, pick packs with country of origin and recent pack dates. For pantry planning, thinking in terms of organic food for seniors helps you set priorities without feeling restricted, because you focus on the highest impact swaps first. You keep the taste you like while aiming for cleaner daily habits that fit your budget. Stay here for a step-by-step setup that keeps berries dry and airy, ready when you open the door, so the care you took while buying pays off at home. Mistake number 1. Storage mistakes that invite spoilage and loss. Blueberry quality can drop quickly when storage is not planned. Keep berries dry and give them room so the helpful parts stay available. Moist surfaces and tight lids trap humidity, and that invites mold. Move berries out of the store box into a shallow, breathable container. Line the base with a clean paper towel and spread the fruit in a single layer so airflow reaches every side. Cover loosely, or use a vented lid. Place the container on a middle fridge shelf where the temperature is steady, not in the door. Keep it away from apples and bananas. Check once a day. Remove any soft or leaking berries, and replace the liner if it becomes damp. Do not stack heavy items on top. Use clean, dry hands or a spoon to take servings so you are not adding moisture back. Keep the box away from raw meats. For nutrient care, handle gently and keep the skins intact. The skin carries much of the anthocyanins and vitamin C you want. Store whole and only cut what you will eat now. Keep the refrigerator cold and avoid temperature swings. If you like to prep snacks, portion small cups for the next day, so you open the main container less often. If you wash ahead, Dry completely before returning to the fridge. Frozen berries are fine. Keep the bag sealed, take out only what you need, press out air, and return to the freezer promptly. Use most of the fresh fruit within 5 to 7 days and check color, dryness, and smell. Follow these food storage tips for seniors and notice how the fruit holds texture and taste. When berries stay dry, cool, and uncrushed, you reduce waste and keep your routine simple at home. Stay for the short recap that turns all 7 fixes into a clear daily checklist you can easily follow. Here's a simple plan for you to follow. Plain Greek yogurt with real berries instead of sugary cups. A gentle baking soda wash, then fully dry. Keep berries whole for anthocyanins and vitamin C. Give cucumber and pineapple their own time if your stomach is sensitive. Aim for a half cup with protein. Pick organic blueberries when available. Airy storage helps prevent mold. If your routine fits most of this, you're on track. If not, choose one step you like. Stay with me for more senior health tips in a short wrap-up. Thanks for spending time with me. If these blueberry mistakes and fixes helped, tap like, subscribe, and share this with other seniors who want steady memory, eyesight, heart health, and calm digestion. Comment on one change you will try today, or ask a question about storage, Greek yogurt, or portions. Your ideas guide future videos and help the whole community. For easy planning on an over 60 diet, I will post a printable checklist in the description. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Do not start, stop, or change any food, supplement, or medicine based on this video. Talk with your doctor or healthcare team to decide what's right for you. If you have urgent symptoms, seek medical care.